Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you can see here, we have the Zordai OD2 smartwatch. Okay, the Zordai Outdoor Sports Series 2. Okay, it is a sport outdoor smartwatch, sort of a rugged smartwatch with a beautiful design here. Okay, it's a bit heavy because of its full metal body design. Very durable, and it's available in different color options. It's a beautiful smartwatch here from Zordai, and it is using the Zordai Support App, as you can see here, with the features for compass, GPS tracking through connected GPS, and we have an IP68 rating. Okay, and another feature of the smartwatch is the Bluetooth call support. Okay, so it supports Bluetooth call. Let me show it to you. As you can see here, we have telephone, we also have message notifications, okay, app notifications, phone book, and call records. So we are going to check on that. Okay, with of course the help of our application here. We have the support app, the Zordai support app. Okay, we are going to have a demo on the Bluetooth call. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. As you can see here, we are already paired with our smartwatch. We are connected. Okay, so let's again check it. It's now synchronizing. We have a firmware update. Synchronized data successfully. Previously, we already set the permissions when we install the application and paired it with our smartwatch, the incoming calls, SMS, the app notifications. As you can see here, it's already activated. The WhatsApp application. Okay, what else? The Bluetooth call. I think what we did not set is the phone book synchronization. Okay, so we have here instructions on how to activate the Bluetooth call. We have already done that. Let's see. Health, my unit settings. I'm looking for the phone book. We still haven't set it. I don't know if it will be added automatically to our smartwatch. Anyway, so let's start. Let's see. Okay, so seems like everything is okay here except for the phone book. We have a phone book here. Okay, call records, phone book, mobile phone, Bluetooth authorized require. Okay, open. Please pair Zordai audio. Okay, it is asking again. Okay, we already paired it previously. We'll see. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, it's already paired here. Okay, rarely used devices. Do we have others set up? It's now syncing. Okay, you have to. Okay, so it's already automatically added to our smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here. That's why I'm looking for an option here in the application. So there's no option for that. Okay, it's available here in the smartwatch. You have to set it. Okay, I guess we are done. So let's check. Okay, let's send a message to our smartwatch. Okay, so we have here our phone. Let's go first with the WhatsApp application. Okay, so hello Zordai OD2 smartwatch. Okay, we do hope that we can receive a message notification. Okay, message sent. Are we connected to the internet? Let's see. Okay, we are not connected to the internet. Let's wait first. Okay, again. Hello. Okay, we receive it now. Message. Can we read the message? No. Let's check. Seems like we can't read the message here. Where's the message notification? Messages. Okay, we can read it here. Hello. Zordai OD2 smartwatch. Very good. And we have a WhatsApp logo here. Okay, again. Another message. Okay, so we have it here. So if you want to read the message, you can read it by tapping on that. You have to go to the messages, and we have here the message. Okay, again another message about call from the WhatsApp application. Okay, oh, we did not receive any notifications here. Okay, and okay, so missed call. After the call, okay, we have here a message notification, missed call from our phone, as you can see here. Okay, so it works. The WhatsApp application works. How about the SMS message? So let's see. This is SMS message. Let's see if we can receive a message. Okay, with a number here. This is SMS message, and it has its own icon, as you can see here. Okay. Okay, it seems like you can also read it here. Okay, we'll see. How can I access the previous message? Do you have it here? No. Okay, can we set it here? Measuring. No, no option. You have it here. Oh, only this way. Okay, that's it. Okay, so far it works with the SMS messages. Okay, so let's try with the call notification or Bluetooth call. So let's see. Let's call the number. Okay, it's now dialing. Okay, as you can see here, you have an option to either block the calls, deny the calls, or answer it here on the smartwatch. Okay, in our case, let's just end the call. Okay, so it ended the call. Okay, let's see here in our call records. Okay, you have to sync again. Okay, so we have here the call records. Okay, so far it works. Again, for the phone book, okay, we have successfully synchronized it with our smartphone. You have the messages here. You have the telephone, so you can dial calls. So let's try. Okay, so what's the number? 0969615839. Okay, let's call. It's now dialing, as you can see here. It works. Okay, so let's try to answer. Okay, someone's calling. Hello. Okay, you can adjust the volume here. Okay, hello. This is Zordai OD2 calling. And Okay, so far the Bluetooth call works. As you can see here, call ended. Okay, so everything works here. Okay, including the messages, the phone book. Okay, so this one, okay, the options here, especially for the phone book, it's very easy to add phone numbers. Just synchronize, okay, your smartwatch to the support app, and the numbers is already automatically added to your smartwatch, to your Zordai OD2 smartwatch. Okay, so far everything works for the smartwatch. The SMS, the app notifications, okay, as well as the call notifications. Okay, so everything works. And as you can see here, we also have an update, a new firmware version. Okay, that's what I like about the Zordai. It has its own, okay, homegrown application for the Zordai OD2 smartwatch. Okay, so everything is stable, connected, okay, properly, and it is, you have other options here that you can add. They have their own app store, as you can see here. Okay, the, okay, a bit by bit they add new functionalities. Okay, so that's it. So far, no issues at all with the Bluetooth call, SMS messages, and app notification for our Zordai OD2 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.